and I have a WhatsApp chat detail with me of two top Bollywood actresses. Weed, hash, mal, and much more chats of two actresses, top actresses with Jaya Sai has exposed the drug rot within Bollywood. चुल्लू पर पानी में डूब मरे लोग.
Kamra ultimately comes back and bites you in the ass. Did I just say Kamra? Karma ultimately comes back and bites you in the ass. When Arnab and others were busy leaking chats of Riya and all that, who knew that Arnab's chat once could be leaked? Like, that's also possible. Alleged chats. Just so you know, alleged chats.
चुल्लू पर पानी में डूब मरे लोग.
As you know, Arnab was accused in the TRP scam, which I have explained in this video. You can go and check it out. All the details I've given there. So the police recently filed a charge sheet, out of which 500 pages were these WhatsApp chats. Now these WhatsApp chats being leaked is very unethical when it comes to Arnab also, or when it comes to Riya Chakrabarti. But it's India, so it happens over here. First, when these chats were leaked, I was like, Navika, is that you? And then I heard this voice in my background.
In case we speak about hard drugs, I haven't done too many. According to him, MDA once.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this information.
Best weed ever.
So coming back to these chats, if these chats are true, then there are some shocking revelations which are going to come across. Shocking as well as not shocking, because we all know Arnab. These alleged chats are between Arnab Goswami and Partho Das Gupta. Partho Das Gupta was the ex-CEO of BARC, and as you know, BARC is the agency which gives the TRPs. So Partho Das Gupta and Arnab Goswami are like chaddi buddies. I wouldn't say chaddi buddies, but times now buddies. Isn't that the same thing?
चुल्लू पर पानी में डूब मरे लोग.
Partho Das Gupta is presently in jail for the TRP scam. So now let's get to the TRP scam chats. TRAI was coming up with a new digital system where it could measure TRPs, which was more transparent and was more real, and it couldn't be rigged. So Arnab Goswami apparently wanted to stop this new system. So this is the chat. Can you give me 3 points why TRAI action is working against AS interest politically? So there is this whole fuss going around AS. Like, who is AS?
पूछता है भारत.
See, we all know who this AS is, man. You shouldn't like keep hiding this. Like, just say it out in the open. It's not a big deal. AS is Abhijit Sawant, the first Indian Idol winner. I don't know what's all this fuss about. So basically, Arnab needs these points, these 3 points, in order to explain to Abhijit Sawant that why the new system is against their political interest. Then Partho Das Gupta asks Arnab, like, थोड़ा setting वेटिंग करा लेना PMO में, तेरे बहुत contacts है ना वहाँ पे, थोड़ा setting वगैरह करा ले, उधर कोई media advisor का job दिला देना, इतने contacts है, देना. And in the chat, many times it has been seen that how Arnab has close ties with the PMO, and even in one chat he says that all ministers are with us. But I wouldn't look into that a lot, because Arnab is the nation and all ministers are with the nation, which is what we want, right? Ministers are with the nation.
तो साफ साफ सुन ले, पत्रकारिता हम भी करते हैं, लेकिन नेताओं के हाथ में बिकने वाले दलाली जो तुम करते, जो दलाल मीडिया है हमारे, वो हम नहीं करते.
This isn't something shocking. Even the Supreme Court is with Arnab, so ministers का तो क्या, ministers तो कुछ भी नहीं है. Then in one chat, Partho Das Gupta says this. Apparently there is some complaint about Republic in ministry. It's yet to be referred to us, but I think it will never come. Then Arnab Goswami said about the Dish FTA thing, Rathod told me and said he's keeping it aside. One complaint came about Republic, to which Rathod is saying that, you know, he'll keep it aside. Complaint. Arnab ho yaar, hum kyun complaint le tumhari? Hey? So this Rathod they're referring to is Rowdy Rathod, in which Akshay Kumar played a role. This Rathod, he is referring to probably Rajwardhan Singh Rathod, who was the Information and Broadcast Minister. ऐसे वैसे नहीं हमारे अर्नब, बहुत अच्छे contacts है भाई. He has just dialed. Contacts. Then Arnab complains about his TRPs to Partho Das Gupta saying that, we have done all reporting before, still other channels are getting more TRP. How is that possible? We even got Kangana before, who is a TRP rating cruncher. Although this is not from 2020, it's from 2019. So you understand where this hashtag justice for Sushant is just for TRP. घंटा फर्क पड़ता है उनको कि that person gets justice or no. And after I saw all these things, then I saw Times Now is also reporting on it. Like, that was really shocking. And then I came across the chat where here Arnab Goswami is telling Partho Das Gupta that Amit Shah told him that Navika is kachra. As you know, Navika was very famous for exposing chats of Riya Chakravarti and drugs and all that. It's like useless reporting that person did. Forget that. That's why Times Now is on a roll of exposing these chats. But that's not even the hilarious part. The hilarious part is Navika's response.
I just have one prayer. I know there are a lot of fans out there for Arnab Goswami who are outraged, possibly because they support him. But I just hope जितनी भी success किसी को भी देना, मुझे सक्सेस एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ माई वैल्यू सिस्टम कभी मत देना भगवान.
Cringing hard right now. Cringing hard.
बिकॉज वैल्यूज ज़रूरी हैं. इंसिडेंट्स, सक्सेस विल कम एंड गो, बट संस्कार और वैल्यूज वही इंसान को इंसान बनाते हैं.
Navika, you're killing me. Navika I have cringed, like, never in my life have I cringed so much, man. Like, Aloknath of news as she is. Like, Sanskar ka part she's padhawing us right now. When she was the one exposing Riya's chats, like, shame, man. Like, shame. How do those words even come out of her mouth, man? Like, heights, yeah, like heights. Like, cringe, man. When it comes to passing comments on journalists, Arnab caught another journalist, that's Rajat Sharma from India TV. This is what he said about him. This really puts Rajat in his place. Gigantic snub, has zero clout and now faces inquiry, got corruption in DDCA. No need to be worried about him and his substandard channel. They will know after this. He had announced he is taking over BCCI and now he looks like a utter fool. Now let's come to the sensitive information which Arnab got apparently from the government. Alleged. For the Balakot strike, Arnab knew 3 days prior to the strike that the strike is gonna happen. Something major will be done this time. Bigger than a normal strike, and also on the same time something major on Kashmir. On Pakistan, the government is confident of striking in a way that people will be elated. Exact words used. Matlab, people have to be satisfied, right? Otherwise TRP कैसे मिलेगा और election भी कैसे जीतेंगे, हैं? So it is more of focused on making people happy rather than for national interests. Now this is sensitive information. This is sensitive military information which this guy has got, which is against national interests. So just remember, guys, you have to celebrate on 23rd of February 2-year anniversary for Arnab coming to know of the Balakot strikes. Yeah, boy. As in the chat, you could see that something major on Kashmir would be happening. So this was related to removal of Article 370. So he knew before in hand that Article 370 was going to be revoked. But all this actually doesn't even surprise me because, you know, it's Arnab. Arnab knows everything because Arnab is nation and nation is Arnab. Him knowing all the sensitive information is not even the sad part. The sad part is on the day the Pulwama attack happened, the same day when 40 CRPF personnels lost their lives, he said this. This attack we have won like crazy. Like, shame, man. I don't even know what to say about this. All he cares about is his damn TRP and that he was covering the incident 20 minutes before every other channel was. So that's all he cares about. It's all TRP, zero nationalism. But guess what? Whatever we are discussing right now, घंटा फर्क पड़ने वाला है. Like, you legit see it. घंटा फर्क पड़ने वाला. Supreme Court might be already sitting there just to take Arnab's case. मतलब केस डाल दिया ना उस पर डायरेक्ट बेल देने के लिए हम तैयार है. तुम टेंशन काय को ले रहे हो, है? पर्सनल लिबर्टी का मामला है भाई. Apart from the politics, news and TRP, whatever, he even spoke on the Hrithik and Kangana controversy. I think Hrithik is dumb and Kangana is schizophrenic. She has erotomania, that she is sexually possessed with him. I like how Arnab just declared it. Hrithik, you dumb, take it and go. Kangana, you schizophrenic and you have erotomania, take it and go. Just declared it. Psychiatrist Arnab Goswami.
चुल्लू पर पानी में डूब मरे ये लोग.
Whatever we have discussed now, ultimately घंटा फर्क पड़ने वाला है. Arnab is gonna be chill only. तुम टेंशन मत लो रे. सुप्रीम कोर्ट है वहां पे, is there just to protect Arnab, because personal liberty is selective only when it comes to Arnab or the government. Do you get it? And that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.